Hello my friends and welcome back again to this channel. In this video I have some great tips concerning how to reduce battery aging and battery draining on iPhone. So first of all, go to the settings, okay, and scroll down until you have privacy and security. Tap on that one and then tap on the first option which says location services. Of course here we have the location services, and each app, right, as you can see we can say have three options, okay. The better option is to keep it on while using the app. Of course, this will help reduce the battery aging and draining as well. After that, we are scrolling down, okay, to system services, okay, and scroll down. And here in the middle of the page, we have product improvement, okay. Turn all these three options off because these will allow Apple to use your frequent location information to improve maps. There's no need for that one. Now go back, okay, and then for location services, okay, why not turn it off, okay, until next time when you use it, okay. So of course it is much better, all right, to turn off location services unless you need it right at that time. You can turn it on, okay. Now let's move back, okay, to the main we say page on settings, okay, and go to battery now. All right, now for the battery, okay, tap on battery health and charging, okay, and then all right, we have this option here, all right, which says optimize battery charging, okay. You can tap on that one and turn it on, which is much better for reducing battery aging and we say battery draining. Now let's go back again, right, to the main page in settings, okay, and this time to general, right, and here, right, scroll down until you have background app refresh, okay. So if you have this option on, all right, you can turn it off. It is of course much better for you guys to reduce the battery aging and draining. I hope this was helpful for you guys. If it is, share with your friends and see you next time.